we are here, we are happy, we are very happy. Those boxes of machines there, you can see them. That is speaking into your goals. Speaking into your goals. 2020, I made goals. And here we are, 2022, achieving those goals. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of me. I'm so proud of Joy. She has made it by purchasing those machines there. Those machines there. So happy today, this morning. And as I unveil this PE800, my entrepreneurship is coming live. Why am I saying that? Because PE800 is a beginner friend. It's a beginner machine for embroidery. I never knew that I love embroidery. I never knew that I love doing small things. Creativity at its peak. So I asked God to help me to stand firm. So let me open up this machine and you guys can see what's inside. Actually, I bought it through Amazon and Amazon US, and it came in earlier than expected. And I was so happy. And actually, they left it at my door, and when I came from work, I found it there. So let's dive into this. Oh, it's very heavy. Let's observe a moment of silence just to pray for this machine. I can't believe it's here actually. Oh God, bless the works of my hands. Bless the mind behind it. And whatever I make, may it give back 100-fold. Father, just like the way you blessed people before me, I pray that we bless me as well. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. God first, everything else second. This is here is PE800. Bought from Amazon. I paid duty for it, and then it was delivered. Wow, what a milestone. I'm so happy to have it here. And so let's start opening it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I know you can see. So let me bring this closer. Closer a little bit. Okay, this is the inside. New, and this is the manual. Actually, I have a good Facebook page for beginners in embroidery, and a lot of people there was really very good, and they suggested that before I even start anything, I have to start reading the manual. The manual, I think there are two manuals. One, I guess it's in English. Let's open it. Let's open it. Okay, this is the manual. Always be the first one to read. This is the reference guide. This is some designs. Operational manual. I have to read this to understand how to operate it, because this is my first time to do it. And then this one, I don't know it's in what language. I will let you know about that. And then there is another one. So there are 3 manuals, I guess. But I'll go with this because I understand English more. These are the languages. We'll keep them for maybe handover to when I upgrade, because I have faith. Okay. So we are done with the manuals. Let's put them aside. Then what is this? I think this is the cover for covering. It's a small bag. I think it's a cover. It's not so bad. When I purchased my Innovis A150, because that was the first machine I purchased, it had a very good cover. It's still there. Cover against dust and all this. It's actually a strong cover, not like this. Plastic cover actually, so it was nice. And then we have a hoop, one hoop. I don't know if you can see. This is 5 by 7, I think. And you have to do like this. You know, I'm self-taught. I go through I go through YouTube to learn. So I learned that this is 5x7, and then you can hook your things here. You use stabilizer. I'm yet to learn the stabilizers because I already bought. And then you tighten the hook. And then this is a guiding grid, I think, if I'm not wrong. Someone was saying, according to the advices I've read, that this is a guiding grid that when you're putting your t-shirts to know that instead of just guessing or going through things, you just put it here and then it will guide you the center so that you can do your clicks and anything else that you want to do. We put it aside. Okay? And then we open the big board. No, there is another thing. The thread I think is called bobbin. And then this is what? Cable? One cable. One cable. This side I'll put just aside so that we don't confuse. And then we remove this. Moment of silence. Oh, this is big. It's bigger than. Let's see. The packaging is very good. It had very good cushioning so that it doesn't break. Even though it's a plastic, it's a very strong plastic. I think maybe it's gold fiber or something. I'm not so sure. But the cushioning was very good. This is the cushioning that comes with it. Just removed it. Very good. Okay. So now you see the inside. There is the machine, and then this is the I think the embroidery table extension part of this machine. Let's see this box. What does it have? Because when I was purchasing this one from Amazon, they said there were 3 items. So let me check for that one other item. I can't find it, so I think they only put 2 items. It was supposed to come with 400 clips, I think, but I didn't get, so I got only this. Wow! It has colors. Actually, I saw Angela doing the manual colors using Canva, and I really liked it. And thank God that I have this color chart. Wow! And it has a lot of numbers so that when you're purchasing your threads, you don't make any mistakes, right? Or when you're combining your projects, you don't make any mistakes. Imagine seam thread 63 color conversion chart. Actually, even if you've not gone to school, you can read. Imagine, this is so, it's free. So it comes with the machine. And what are these? I don't know what this is. I'm yet to read. Try to do the best after sales service. Just send an email to these people because they put I have thread, a lot of embroidery thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 embroidery thread that came with this. I think it was an offer, and then some okay, some bobbins, and then I don't know what these are. I'm still a new person, so I will not tell what I don't know, but this I don't know what it is, but these are bobbins, extra bobbins. I put this aside. And then now we move the big box. Wow! This is huge. This is huge. It's big. If I tell you that I've never touched an embroidery machine, because growing up I thought these jobs are not for people who have gone to school. That was my mentality. And I'm sorry that now I realize it's a skill, that if you're born with it and you love it, then you can do it. So yes, I changed. Look at this. This one is huge. It's big. Let me just bring it closer. Can you see? The front. Then you see okay, this is the machine, still sealed. Let's go around it, at least to get a glimpse of it. Okay, it's a Brother, by the way. Second machine from Brother. The first one was sewing. only sewing. It didn't have any embroidery, but it has 150. The other previous one, which is Innovis A150, which helps me a lot. It's there, you can see it there. That is my Innovis A150. Now we are here with Brother PE800. Look. Now let's go through this. Let's see. Open. How do I open? No, we have to remove all these seals. Wow, the packaging was nice, huh? So that nothing breaks. This one, and then this one. Wow. And then this one. Oh, it's not coming out so easily. Okay. This one also comes with the machine. Let's see what is inside. The usual things. We have how many? 2 bobbins. I think these are things used to unscrew. Maybe the needles. We have the brush for cleaning. Actually, this came in handy when I had problems with my sewing machine, and I used this to clean, and it started working again. I think this is the same thing I told you about the thread. Then we have seam ripper. We have another bobbin, so we have 3 bobbins. Then seam ripper, small one, and then the scissors. This is nice because it assists so much. And then we have the bobbin. I don't know what it is, but I'll check. And so basically that is it. So these small things here and there, we will know the machine as we go along. Okay. I've removed all the tips, I guess. I've removed all the tips so that I can be able to open it. Look at the back, man. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. So let's see what is here. Oh, I like it. I think this is for winding the bobbin. Actually, the style hasn't changed. It's the same with that one. This is winding for the bobbin, the thread, and then this one, I can't remember the name. This is where the thread passes like this down, and then 3 was down here. And you know how I could have found the 3? Because it's hiding somewhere there. I saw so many YouTubers telling about number 3 because they were looking for it, they didn't find. But these colored ones like this goes like this up to here is for bobbin. The ones that are not colored, they are going down like this. I'll post a video on how to thread it. Actually, I copied from, I binge watched Angela, the way she was so happy. And also there's this guy called, I can't remember his name, but he's a nice guy, so I follow him for all the tutorials on PE800. And being a new person on this field, I have to read, I have to learn, so that I give the best, all the best. I haven't sold anything yet because I'm still learning. And this is the normal one, goes down. Okay, it's not powered yet, so let's power it. Whatever is remaining here. Oh, this one. We are very happy. It's huge. Okay, let's remove the tape. Then you connect it. I saw people struggling with this. I hope I'll not struggle. It will fit in nice. I didn't struggle at all. Done. I fixed it. See? But I'm not going to remove it because I saw people struggling with it the second time. It's not going inside this table. It's an extension. You see how huge this thing is? You guys are not seeing. See how huge this thing is? It was intimidating at first. Let me just check one more time if I've removed all the tips so that we power it on. So I connected it to this, and now it goes down here. It goes down here. I don't know if it will fit. Oh, okay. What this, I believe I should say it's her, it's not a he. So what should we name it? Should we name it Grace, Joy, or what do we say? What do we name this machine? I think Grace and Favor. Grace and Favor, because without God, this will not have been without God I will not have achieved this one. Because I saw it in 2020. I said, oh my God, this thing is quite expensive, beyond my reach. But here I am. I spoke into it and it came, and I'm so grateful that it came. So let's see how we are going to do our first embroidery and see how it comes. I had it. This is okay. Let's power it on first. It's there. It's on. Okay, brother. they know their things, their gadgets. What is that? Fresh design, sweet creation. No, let me switch it off and bring the camera closer so that you can get what it's saying. To pull, see this lever here. In the other machine it was somewhere here, but this one is here, so you have to pull it, and then what is called the foot, embroidery foot will go up. That is very dangerous actually. Don't do something like this the way I've done, because this needle can really prick your finger. So don't do like this the way I did. I'm sorry about that. Safety first. Okay, so this lever here, you have to pull it down, and then see, actually everything else is the same. The bobbin is inside and the cover is there, and then the thread comes like this. The bobbin thread, it cuts itself here, and then this is almost the same, because you have to pull it down to pick the thread, and then this is the thread cutter. And then okay, that's it from here. So let's thread it and see if this, I want to see this moving, because I saw one of the YouTubers, he literally moved it, and I was shocked. I didn't know what to say about it. Or alternatively, we see what this has. So select a language, English. Okay, raise the foot lever, so this one up. Okay, the carriage of the embroidery will move. Keep your hands off. That is what I want to see. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Okay, and then the numbers and how they come. Always press when removing embroidery unit. So this is called embroidery unit. And what was I calling it before? Is a table, but this is an embroidery unit. It's like a table extension of this, so that you have space for you to embroider. So yes, this has moved very well. And then there is this USB something, and this is what the machine itself. I have no idea what this is. And then let's see if we can say like this, an 8 and all these things. We will pass, we go back. Look, how many things are there? See, so things we will find out together about this. So let's just go, and then we see it shows everything. I'm yet to learn about this machine. Today it was just about whatever is there, and I've seen it so good, and I can't wait to do so many things. So that is it actually. Unboxing of this big thing. I think the biggest, and we'll name it Favor or Grace, because I believe in God, and I believe that God gives you things for you to use them. Your potential is free. You've been given free. So go extra mile and know what God has in store for you. So this is nice, and can't wait to do so many things with it. And cheers. Bye.